Miss Rin came, she came as a teacher, but now she came as an angel. I was so happy. So I have nothing to present for both of them, but by this song, I will present you as my gift. Uh, the, uh, the song is Love of My Life. Love of my life, you hurt me, broken my heart, and now you leave me. Love of my life, can't you see? Bring it back, don't take it away from me because you don't know what it means to me. Love of my life, don't leave me. You've taken my love and now deserted. Love of my life, can't you see? Bring it back, don't take it away from me.